Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear learners? Hope you all are well. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution, Public School and College Saidpur. I will discuss about limit. That is, today I will solve some math on limit. We have already taken one class. Now, first I am writing some important formula at a glance. I have written this. 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, or limit x tends to 0 x by sin x, limit x tends to 0 tan x by x, or limit x tends to 0 x by tan x. This is equal to 1. Or limit x tends to 0 cos x, limit x tends to 0 1 by cos x is equal to 1. Second, limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n, x minus a, this will be n a to the power n minus 1. 3. Limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. 4. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by n, and this is equal to e. This is very important formula. With the help of this, I will solve some math. Okay, dear learners, you will memorize this formula. Exercise 9a. First, I am solving 1a. Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. If we put x is equal to 2, then we get here 4 minus 4, that is 0. Here 4, 6, 10, 10 minus 10, this also 10, which is undefined. This is, we know, this is undefined. So we cannot put directly x is equal to 2 on the function. If we write here x square by 2 square, x square, 3x, 2x, 6, limit x tends to 2, here x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, if we take common 2, this also x minus 3, or limit x tends to 2, x plus 2, x minus 2, here x minus 3 and x minus 2, x minus 2 and x minus 2, if cut, then we get here limit x tends to 2, x plus 2, x minus 3. Now, if we put here x is equal to 3, 2 plus 2, here 2 minus 3, it is 4 minus 1. The answer of it minus 4. Now, I will solve 2a. to a limit x tends to 0 here square root 1 plus 3x minus 1 minus 4x x. If we put x is equal to 0, here 1, here also 1 minus 1, this will be 0, 0, which is undefined. So now need to calculate limit x tends to 0, here 1 plus 3x square root minus 1 minus 4x x. Suppose here a and b, that is a minus b, we want to make the form a square minus b square. So if we multiply numerator and denominator with square root 1 plus 3x plus 1 minus 4x, here 1 plus 3x plus 1 minus 4x, limit x tends to 0, here a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, 1 plus 3x square minus 1 minus 4x b square, x square root 1 plus 3x plus 1 minus 4x, limit x tends to 0, here 1 plus 3x, 1, this also 3x, 1 plus 3x, 1 minus 4x, limit x tends to 0, 1 1 cut, 3x and 4x 7x, that x 1 plus 3x plus 1 minus 4x, x and x is also cut. Now limit x tends to 0, 7 divided by 1 plus 3x 1 minus 4x. Now put x is equal to 0, here 1, this here, if we put x is equal to 0, 1, 7 by 2. This is the answer. Now I'll solve from 3. C limit x tends to infinity ln 2x minus 1, here ln x plus 5. Now limit x tends to infinity. According to the rules of logarithm, we can write here 2x minus 1 x plus 5. If we put here the value of x, infinity divided by infinity, this also in undefined, so we cannot put x tends to infinity directly. Now limit x tends to infinity ln, here if we take common x, we can write 2 minus 1 by x. If we take common x here, 1 plus 5 by x. X and x will cut. If we put the value x is equal to x tends to infinity, there is x is equal to infinity, it will be 1 by infinity or 5 by infinity. Dear learners, we know here, suppose this is infinity, what happened here? 0, 1 by infinity. That is 1 by infinity tends to 0. Approximately we can write here 0. 2 minus 0, 1, 0. This will be 2. This is the answer for 3C. Now for A, limit x tends to A, x to the power 7 by 2 minus a to the power 7 by 2 divided by square root x minus square root a. Limit x tends to a, x to the power 7 by 2 minus a to the power 7 by 2 x minus a square root x minus square root a. We can write, if we calculate, then we will get this. Limit x tends to a, here x to the power 7 by 2 minus a to the power 7 by 2 by x minus a divided by, here I have a square root, that is we know 1 by 2, a to the power 1 by 2. Limit x tends to a. We know limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n, x minus a, this will be n a to the power n minus 1. According to this formula, according to this, we can write here at n, there is power here 7 by 2 a 7 by 2 minus 1. Similarly here a half a half minus 1, because we know x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a is equal to n a to the power n minus 1. So according to this, 7 by 2 a 7 by 2 minus 1, here half into a to the power half minus 1. Now 7 by 2, 2 by 1, here a to the power 2 LCM, here minus 2, we get here minus a half. 2 will cut, 7 a to the power 5 by 2, here a to the power minus a half. According to rules of exponential, we can write here a to the power 5 by 2, have a minus, 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 this will be plus 7a 5 plus 1, that is 7a 6 by 2, 7a. This is answer. Dear learners, you will practice the remaining sum of 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice makes a man perfect. So if you practice and practice, then you can solve this math easily. Thanks for watching my class.